Keke Palmer flaunted her natural face without any makeup in a new Instagram video where she jokingly called out plastic surgeons for not having a cure for adult acne. In the video, the 28-year-old had her fresh face on full display while her dark hair was thrown back into a high bun with a silk headband on top. In the video, Keke rocked a pair of oversized square neon orange eyeglasses, a rainbow silk knotted headband and an oversized vintage Rolling Stones t-shirt. In the video, she started out by saying, "Plastic surgeons are amazing," before listing all of the procedures they can do including a boob job and nose job, saying, "The list goes on." She then hilariously joked that they can do all of those things, but they cannot figure out how to clear up somebody's skin. Keke then started to zoom in on herself yelling, "Are you kidding me? All of these years and all of these inventions, I'm tired of it, I'm done with it. People out here with adult acne are struggling and you ain't figured out that cure." Aside from ranting in the video, she continued the discussion in her caption writing, "I woke up and chose violence. We want the quick fix as well. My homegirl's walking out the hospital with a donk same day. I want instant results too. What's tea? All these years. Plastic surgeons, y'all wanna know where the real money at? In clearing up acne. Enough with all the hard work of having to find the perfect diet and trying to get an expensive facial every other day. Give us the plastic surgery we're begging for, and make it possible for black skin as well. I need the duo love. I'll put my house on the market to pay, whatever it takes. #FedUp #holler if you hear me." Articles trending now. Trending now. Margot Robbie rocks tiny yellow bikini while yachting with husband and Rami Malek. Photos. Jennifer Lopez rocks stilettos with mini skirt ahead of Ben Affleck's milestone birthday. Photos. Justin Sylvester seemingly pushes Jenna Bush Hager after she gets too close on Today Show. Watch.